video. Okay, I'm here. Okay, I'm here in Calgary Stampede Rodeo, whatever you call that. This one. That's a downtown Calgary right there. The background is downtown Calgary. So I'm here at the Calgary Stampede Rodeo, the famous Stampede every year, every single year. See? Stampede Park, Calgary Stampede Park. Everybody here is wearing cowboy, so I'm also a cowgirl today. See? Western. I'm also a cowgirl of Calgary today. Nice. That's nice. Calgary Stampede. Oh, look at that. Ah, my God. Oh. Tamulare, oh. Parang inahagis doon. Oh. Sus Mary. So bali ang nakasakay dyan, parehong dulo lang. Parehong dulo. Ay, nako, forget that. And this one is Euroslide right there. Yeah, Euroslide. Oh, yeah. Euroslide. Yun naman isa. Ayun. See this one at the left? Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, sandali lang siyang umandar. Ah, ayun. Oh my God. Oo nga. Ayun, naka-zoom ako. Ida-drop naman sila. Oh my goodness. Ooh. I don't want that. Ida-drop sila. Yun, termata, kinukuhaan ako ng video. Nga. Tapos, paano sila ida-drop? Oh my God! Ooh! Forget you!